Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a modern poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The document size is 1080 by 1350. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of artboard size. Apply a gradient to the rectangle. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Object menu, select Lock and Selection. Go to Type tool and type ? Then change its font to Jana LT Bold. Right-click on the ? and choose Create Outline. Change its color to green. Then go to Effects menu, 3D, and Materials, 3D Classic and Extrude and Bevel. Follow my Extrude and Bevel settings. Go to Object menu and choose Expand Appearance. Place the ? at the bottom left corner. Right-click on it and select Ungroup. Select the shadow part separately. Open the Pathfinder panel. If it's not visible, enable it from the Window menu. Then click Unite. Repeat the same process for the remaining parts. Select this part and apply gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Repeat the process with other parts. Go to the File menu, choose Place, select your image, and place it into the design. Adjust the image size and position as required. Then right-click on the ? select Arrange and bring to front. Select the image and click on this Embed button. Then go to Edit menu, Edit Colors and choose Convert to Grayscale. Decrease its opacity to 10%. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Apply a simple black and white gradient to this rectangle. Select both rectangle and image, go to Transparency panel. Then click on Make Mask button. Then place this man image into the design. Adjust its size and position. Go to Edit menu and choose Copy. Then paste in front. Go to Image Trace menu and choose Silhouette. Then click on the Expand button. Go to Pathfinder panel and choose Unite. Adjust the silhouette as shown. Then go Free Transform tool and choose Free Distort tool. And follow my adjustments. Right-click on this image, select Arrange and bring to front. Apply a gradient to the shadow. Follow me here. Change its blend mode to multiply. Double-click to open isolated mode and follow my adjustments. Go to Effects menu, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set these settings and hit OK. Place this leaves shadow image in the design. Change its blend mode to multiply. Then place this leaves PNG. Follow the placement. Right-click on it, select Arrange and send backward. Draw a rectangle of artboard size. Select all, right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Now, it's time to add text to the design. Follow the provided text settings. Finally, place the icons into the design. Select everything and click on the Recolor button. Then experiment with different color variations in a single click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.